In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Mini Nest for productivity. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable workflow using Google's core apps so you can cut clutter, see your priorities at a glance, and move work forward with less friction. Start by tidying up Gmail so your inbox stops running your day. Create labels for your main categories. Think clients, finance, content, or urgent, so every message has a home. Set up filters to auto-sort new emails into those labels and star anything that needs attention this week, so it's easy to find later. If you send the same replies often, save them as templates to respond in seconds. When you're done with the message, archive it instead of deleting. This keeps your inbox clear, but everything stays searchable. For extra control, turn on undo send and enable keyboard shortcuts in settings to shave time off every session. Next, plan your time in Google Calendar. Create separate calendars for work, personal, and content, then use color coding so you can read your week at a glance. Add recurring tasks for routines you never want to forget, and set reminders, 10 minutes or an hour before, depending on the task. Drop in focus time blocks to protect deep work and build your day by time blocking rather than keeping an overwhelming to-do list. Organize your files in Google Drive with a clear top-level structure like clients, marketing, admin, and finance. Use consistent file names so search works for you. Share folders instead of individual files to keep access simple and up to date. And set the right permissions, viewer, commenter, or editor to match the job. If you're collaborating regularly, use shared drives to keep ownership centralized and handoffs painless. When drafting and collaborating, use Google Docs. Start from templates for proposals, reports, or SOPs to save setup time. Switch to suggesting mode and leave comments so feedback is clear and reversible. Add headings to build a clickable outline and insert checklists to track tasks within the doc. This setup is perfect for SOP creation, blog writing, contracts, and meeting notes. Track your numbers in Google Sheets. Build lightweight trackers for content, expenses, and leads. Use basic formulas like sum, if, and count. Add filters to focus on what matters and apply conditional formatting to spotlight due dates or